Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we can see that error message a driver cannot load on the device. Driver is RTKVHT64.sys. Security setting is preventing this driver for loading. You will need to adjust your setting to the load this driver. So while I'm installing the sound driver or audio driver, I got installing some like from Google. I have downloaded some drivers regarding the audio or sound driver. While after the installation the restart completed, I got the error message like this. To solve this error message we have to follow some method. Let us see what is the method. Like two methods we can see the thing which from the here the settings, and we will go here in the settings. After opening these settings we can go for Windows update. In this Windows update we have to see is there any updation to be installed. You can see many files are to be installed. I have clicked for install all application from here, but it will take more time to install to be completed the installation. You can see for pending installation and restart required. That's the message we got, and still there is many installation is pending over there. And this after updating those settings, still you find the same error message. The error message regarding the audio, so same audio setting, so audio error message you can type on the Google and see what is the error and how we can solve, not how we can solve, what the file which we install we can solve this issue. For how we can solve this issue, we can follow this method. And after restarting again, if you find the same issue, the next method is you can just open this same settings. After that you can open this privacy and security setting. In the privacy and security setting we will find Windows security. In this Windows security we can find this option device security. In this device security you can see this core isolation details, and you don't want to follow like this method, you can just type over here core isolation details. You can directly open the screen. After opening the screens you can select the core isolation details. In this we can find them: memory integrity, prevent attack from inserting miscellaneous codes into a high security process. Its in condition is on, just we will switch it off, like, and means we can keep it off. After keeping off you can see the change requires you to restart your device, and after that we can close and let me restart my computer. While restarting my computer it will take time, because we can see the message that update and restart, and the time is which is given like it's like in 7 minutes. So let me restart, and after restarting let us see still the error message is appeared, or it has been solved. Now the restart has been completed and the error also solved. Now the error message is not appearing. If anybody find like this error message, the error message will be different, means like maybe the display driver, maybe the LAN driver, maybe the sound driver, the error message will be different. You can follow this step, it will be very easy to solve this issue. And there will be more informative tips on my channel. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe and support. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.